How to change the camera cutout appearance, whether it's going to show it here like that there, or have a black bar going across for the Galaxy A15 smartphone. Let's do this. To change this here, use the quick panel access. You can pull it down once or twice, and you'll go to the settings option right there. Once you tap on that here, you will want to go down to where it says display right there. And as you enter into the display settings now, just go down until you see camera cutout right here. When you see the camera cutout section here, you're going to see that this is the view mode here, and then you have all the other apps for you to see whether or not they'll go into the camera cutout or what. Okay, so for example, calculator here, it's either show the camera cutout or hide it. So if I set it to show and I go into the calculator here, you'll see that it's going to show like this here. But if I switch it over to hide it now, and I go back here, there's going to be a black bar going across with all your status bar information there. Okay, so you can do this for every app out there, and that's that, like and sub.